Friends, after a long time, coming back at the episode number 95 of YouTube handle @Success Sauce and Interview Taught 786. That is Billa number 786 in Hindi cinema Coolie, where the Almighty had blessed on Big B. So it will be in our case, you and me. And now we are at hashtag Synopsis1. This is synopsis of all the 94 episodes that I had told you all these days and months how to succeed in life. There are various parts. One part is Maths Waterloo, that every one of us fear maths. So how to get over that fear and love maths? That is one very difficult task, and many do not succeed. I want you to succeed. How? That how is very important question, and you will not believe that the main answer is you eat maths, you sleep maths, you live maths, and you dream maths. That means this is the old proverb used for some other thing. I have used it for maths. That means you make maths as your part of life. For everything you think in numbers. You see the telephone number, try to remember it. You see the car number, try to remember it. Anything that has got digits in it, try to remember it. Find out ways to remember it and do various mathematical calculations. What it's called quadratic equation, XY equation, and all that. And that is how I had got 90 out of 90 in maths at MBA admission test. That was very funny and very important. Here 90 questions were there and 90 minutes. So everybody will think that one question will take 1 minute to solve, but it was not so. When I started working out, first 10 questions took me only 2 minutes. I thought, am I too brilliant? Instead of 10 minutes, I have taken 2 minutes. But my judgment is I am not that brilliant. I may be above average. So try it. I went to 81 to 90. And 81 to 90 instead of 10 minutes took me 30 minutes. Then I asked myself, am I that dull? I am not that dull. So the trick is in the gradation of the questions. That means last questions should take 3 minutes per question, and first question should take 30 seconds per question. I could understand the trick. So then I came back to 11 to 20 and 21 to 30 alternately, with 71 to 81 to 90, 71 to 80, like that. So thereafter 51 to 60, and here it is 40 to 50, like that, and I could find out the average is more or less the same. How? 1 to 10 is 3 minutes, 81 to 90 is 30 minutes, 30 plus 3, 33 minutes. 33 minutes for 20 maths means for math it is almost 1.5 minutes. So I am coming nearer to the average of 1 minute per question. That is how I could answer all the 90 questions rightly, which nobody could, and I got 90 out of 90, and I stood first in MBA. Similarly, is the question of maths. You have to be smart enough. I was not smart at school final days. It was additional maths exam, and I could answer 84 out of 100. And last few questions I had asked for additional papers, and I had done trigonometry and algebra, and I was about to stitch. When the time has run out, I told the professor, kindly give me the needle. He said, this is the last exam. You go home and enjoy. I will stitch it for you. And he did not. Somebody else got those 42 marks, and I didn't get. I got 42 instead of 84. So additional maths, only 12 was added. So after loving maths, after doing the sums, you have to be smart. You have to know that there are obstacles everywhere, and I could not believe my invigilator will be such a, what should I say, deceiver. He deceived me. Similarly, next point is exam menace. Any student you meet, the moment you talk of exam, he or she is perspiring, because he or she is afraid. Exam means controlled atmosphere, and you cannot see here, you cannot look at that side. You have to answer questions. Questions are unknown. What questions will come? He or she is afraid to face exam, and that is why the blood pressure goes up, temperature goes up, anxiety goes up, everything. One loses hunger, he or she cannot eat. All those symptoms are symptoms of nervousness. Why are you nervous? Because something unknown will be thrown at you, and you will not be able to answer, and if you do not succeed, you will not get good marks, maybe you will fail. So that is why you are anxious, that is why you are worried. Therefore, you have to make things easy for you. How? Best thing is, do not follow the following. One, do not look around. If you are a good student, you will look around, find other students are perspiring, asking for water, and nervous. So that should not make you happy. You concentrate on your job. Next thing is, problem in an exam is, when you have gone through the question paper, you are answering question number 1, but your mind says question number 10 is easy, I'll be able to answer that. That keeps bothering you. Answer is, simply write that answer in brief at the back of your page. Drive that out of your mind. You will be able to do the question fast and correctly. Then you will be also able to prepare. You have to prepare for exam much beforehand, in the sense, the night before the exam, you will only go through the summary. What does that mean? Summary means you have taken pain to summarize one problem into one line of your exercise book. You look at that line, you remember the sum, you remember the trick in it, you remember how you have done it. So therefore, you have to master yourself. You have to control yourself. And last thing is confidence. You have to have your lot of confidence so that you face the exam smilingly. Do not get afraid. Fear psychosis is the main problem that one faces. Thank you.